guys, welcome to another video for your vlogger, and I'm gonna show you how to get your tools, how to see the tools, wait, how to see the tools durability. So I'm gonna put your script, show this, do is debug NH, and you can, if you go to survival, right? And if you check here, it needs to be there's a durability in the shop, and any tool or any armor or anything, even shield. So look at it. The durability of this now, it's 28, 20, 28. So yeah. So yeah, that is that is how to see the durability. So yeah, so make sure to like and subscribe, and meet me at my Twitch in a Minecraft Podia Vlogger, where I survive 100 days in Minecraft. So peace out and bye bye.